Hello, this is Sean from Charisma Vehicle Solutions. A video today for you of a new vehicle that's come into stock. A resplendent, as you can see, BMW 318 diesel sport with the 6-speed manual and the 2-litre diesel engine. It's incredibly nice condition. Registered 2013, was originally a company vehicle, and then the driver actually bought the vehicle from the company, and he then has kept it pretty immaculate for a vehicle of this age. It's done just under 96,000 miles. It's been serviced every single year independently, but even so that's more regularly than required. And to keep it all up to date, I've just had the brake fluid and an MOT completed on the vehicle, so it's pretty much ready to go. A couple of age-related marks, as you would imagine, but really, as you can see, it's in lovely condition. I'll show you inside the vehicle just now. So the car has got the cloth seats with the red embellishments through it, and steering wheel controls for all the functions that the car has, automatic lights, features of course. So 6-speed transmission, and it has the iDrive system that functions on the screen at the top here. I'll just start the car up now for you so you can see the mileage as well. Okay, so here you are, done 95,787 miles. Great fuel efficiency, as you can see, 59.9 miles per gallon, and the cabin is as nice as the exterior of the car. I don't think the back seats have been sat in at all. Gentleman was very fastidious, as you can see, and it really is a credit to him. Nice climate control system here. It has got the start-stop facility, so you take your foot off the clutch, put it into neutral at traffic lights and everything, it will stop the vehicle. As I mentioned, 6-speed, has the Sport and Eco Pro mode, and the iDrive system, as they call it here. Just press the menu. Oh,